Hey guys, this is Myanmar and welcome back to our channel Ampnics. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to design the board outline in layout editor of KiCAD. So for designing the board outline in KiCAD, we have to go in layers, then we have to select the edge cut. Okay, so we are going to design a round rectangular board outline for this PCB. So initially we have to draw a rectangle. Okay, so you have to click here, draw rectangles, then we'll design a rectangle. All right. Okay, so it is about 42.500 mm into 23.5. Okay, so we are going to use this dimension, and then we have to use this arc tool. Okay, all right, so we will draw the arc. Okay, make sure to check the theta value. Okay, you can do manually on all four side, or you can use other method, that is control plus D. Okay, R for rotation, and just make sure to place it on every corner, and I'm using shortcut key R for rotating these arcs. Okay, and again R, control plus D. All right, so now we created the arc on all the sides. We have to delete the existing rectangle. For completing the board outline, we have to go in draw lines. Okay, and then connect these lines together. All right, so if I turn on the 3D viewer, so guys, you can see like in this way we can create the board outline for our PCBs.